I started baking in my teens, making pies, biscuits, and the like, but I dropped the hobby after discovering my many food intolerances, one of them being gluten. Suddenly, baking seemed like a torture. Why make all this stuff if I can't even have any? Pretty depressing, right? Then the pandemic happened and I took over cooking for our household because I wanted to know that whatever my husband and I consumed was as healthy as possible. I began taking my culinary skills more seriously and slowly started baking again. Now at first, I felt really frustrated because I'm making all these delicious goodies and I can't even have any. But I didn't want my husband to miss out on fun treats just because I had to abstain, and I didn't want food to control my happiness. So I changed my perspective. I decided to see baking as a form of meditation and a way to bring joy to others. As you can see here, I made the top of this braid too thick and I began to worry about the final result. What if it doesn't work out how I intended? Baking and life are similar in that way. You follow a recipe hoping for a perfect result, whether that's a beautiful loaf or a great partner or an amazing career, and you get discouraged. Let this loaf be a gentle reminder to keep going and see the process through, because it all shakes out in the bake. See?